this video, we are going to see how to get all the cookies using nRoBo. So in this video, let's create a new test and create a new page object, and then cookies page.get cookies. It will return all the cookies, and then we are printing all the cookies to log cookies equal to all the cookies. So get cookies is the page method that is doing the task. So let's run the test. nRoBo -key and test method name. So the test started running. And browser instance spun up. Open the URL and get all cookies. Let's see. Oh, I forget to add open URL, so let me open the URL and we run the test again. Test started running. Browser instance created. Open the URL and get all cookies. Let's see the log. Open the report, and here are all the cookies. You can see, right? Domain, expiry, HTTP only, name, and the cookies. That's it. Thank you.